Hello, friends. Today, I'm going to show you how you can enjoy a luxurious lifestyle inside a motorhome. Maybe you think a motorhome is just a vehicle where you sit and travel. But no, once you step inside this motorhome, it feels like entering a royal house. Let's start with the bedroom. Here you'll find a large, comfortable bed, soft pillows, and a setup just like a hotel room. You can sit here and read books, listen to music, or even work on your phone. And at night, when it's time to rest, this bed will give you the most peaceful sleep experience. Next comes the kitchen. Even though it's small, everything is beautifully arranged. You'll find a stove, fridge, microwave, cupboards, basically everything you need. You can prepare your breakfast, cook lunch, or even make your own cup of tea while on the move. The joy of brewing tea on the road is truly special. Now let's move to the living area. Sitting on the cozy sofa, you can watch TV, listen to music, or chat with your friends. Just look out the window and you'll see breathtaking views, mountains, rivers, or lush green fields. A cup of tea in hand, a TV in front, and nature outside. Can there be a more luxurious moment than this? The bathroom is also very modern. Although compact, it has a shower, wash basin, everything you need. In winter, you can enjoy hot water, and in summer, you'll feel refreshed with cold water. Despite being small, it's very easy and comfortable to use. Now let's talk about the toilet. Many people think using a toilet in a motorhome might be inconvenient, but here you have a modern, compact toilet system with special water-saving technology. Every use leaves the place perfectly clean. Plus, there's a waste management system that makes cleaning easy, so even while traveling, you get the same comfort as home. All in all, a motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a moving house. It has a bedroom, kitchen, living area, bathroom, and toilet, everything you'd need at home. While traveling, you can relax here, work here, and also enjoy the beauty of nature. So friends, living in a motorhome means freedom, luxury, and an experience of becoming one with nature.